Just bust them, boy. Oh, one drop. They're right in front of you, boy. Oh. They're in front of him. Yeah, you get him. Yeah, you get him. What? A moss. You're a good bit nut. You're a good bit no one. Say something, Tiger.
You gotta go. Right there, beautiful Martin Dog, you know, I'll go once more. Huh?
Yeah.
Your boy Captain Tiger. Hey, got my little cousin, you know? What's up here? A little bit of salt? Yeah. A little bit of salt on TikTok. You getting these bars, see you pump all them beat with? See you in there now. The pump off. But we got these bars still cooking. These should be in the frying pan soon.
Hot spot.
A little bit of hot spot.
Pop. Trying to do some night fishing. Hard line edition. Here he comes. Sent to really go out because pump off. We got a little bit of breeze. Look so.
Yeah, but here's right. That's off long guy. Look at you, fucking kicking him with that.
To fill against. I'm in the back end. Yes. Yeah. Fish drop. Oh, crab. Fish? Water warm. You running me to this table here? This is the table I go on though.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. The table more on the grass. Think you sharp? Huh? Well, you gotta bring that before you go up. Bring some before you go up. Hey, I get light. You won't get a light. Uh-huh.
Dali, can't get one exceptional. I said two back to the line.
Just don't forget what I tell you.
Yeah.
First one for the night. Well. Well. Too breezy. Mm.